What is going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. I talk to a lot of guys every week, and a lot of them are working those 60 to 70 hour work weeks, making great money, but breaking their backs trying to grow their business. And I always ask them, at what cost? So I'm going to start a little video series about the tools, tactics, and strategies that will allow you to scale your business without making the ultimate sacrifice of your time and your freedom. After you watch this video, click on the first link in the comment section below to take a look at my new course that will help you scale your business and get off the truck. So today I want to talk about building a customer-centric business model and why it is essential for the success of your business in today's world. I read an interesting article about Jeff Bezos of Amazon that I think is pretty applicable to our own businesses. If you all watch my channel, you know that I am a huge fan of both Amazon and their business model, and I personally feel that if you don't adapt to the Amazon mentality of your customers, your business is going to really struggle to keep up with your competition that has already figured this out. Which takes us to what Jeff Bezos said. He gets asked the same question all the time: what's going to change in the next 10 years? And he said it's a good question, but the better question is, what isn't going to change in the next 10 years? And he continued to say, I submit to you that the second question is actually the more important of the two, because you can build a business strategy around the things that are stable in time. In our retail business, we know that customers want low prices, and I know that's going to be true 10 years from now. They want fast delivery. They want a vast selection. It's impossible to imagine a future 10 years from now when a customer comes up and says, hey Jeff, I love Amazon, but I just wish the prices were a little higher. Or, I love Amazon, I just wish you'd deliver a little more slowly. Impossible. And so the effort we put into those things, spinning those things up, we know the energy we put into it today will still be paying off dividends for our customers 10 years from now. When you have something that you know is true, even over the long term, you can afford to put a lot of energy into it. So, how does this relate to the pressure cleaning business, or the window cleaning business, the lawn care business, or really any service business? If you've watched my channel, you know that I have built my business and promote running this type of business model to be completely customer-centered, making it all about the customer, making it as easy as possible to do business with us. Everything from finding you online, which is all about your marketing and targeting the right audience, to how you interact with them once they've found you, and when it's time to give a quote, how quickly the quote is given and how it is delivered. Of course, your work is going to be done to perfection. That's the easiest part of the equation. It's the entire customer experience outside of that, which is the hard part and so important, and what Amazon does so well, and what I strive for every day in my business. Faster, better, cheaper. I'm all about faster and better, but not necessarily cheaper, and 2 out of 3 ain't too bad. But like Mr. Bezos said, the effort and energy that we put into those things right now and continue to nurture and build upon will still be paying off dividends for our customers and our businesses 10 years from now and beyond. I really hope that this video helped. Don't forget to check out the Next Level course link in the description below, but more importantly, have a great day.